Compound interest, you've probably heard it's the eighth wonder of the world. But what if I told you there's more to this magical concept than meets the eye? Today, we're going beyond the basics and uncovering the hidden truths about compound interest that could revolutionize your financial future. Let's dive in. Most people associate compound interest with savings accounts. But here's the secret. It's even more powerful when you invest. While savings accounts offer a safe place to park your money, the interest rates are usually low. Investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate can yield much higher returns, supercharging the compounding effect. The biggest advantage of compound interest is time. The earlier you start, the more your money has the chance to grow exponentially. Let's say you invest $10,000 at age 25 with a 7% annual return. By age 65, you'd have over $100,000. If you start at 35, you'd only have around $57,000. Here's the scary part. Compound interest doesn't just work for you, it can also work against you. High-interest debt, like credit card balances, can spiral out of control if not paid off quickly. That interest keeps adding up, making it harder and harder to get out of debt. Compound interest is a long game. It requires patience and delayed gratification. It's easy to spend money now, but the real magic happens when you let it grow for years or even decades. Think of it as planting seeds that will eventually blossom into a financial forest. The most underrated aspect of compound interest is consistency. Regularly investing small amounts over time can lead to surprisingly large gains. It's like adding fuel to a fire, keeping the compounding engine running strong. So there you have it, the untold story of compound interest. It's not just about saving pennies, it's about harnessing the power of time, investing wisely, and staying disciplined. Remember, compound interest is your financial superpower. If you found this video enlightening, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial wisdom, and share it with anyone who needs to hear this. Let's unlock the true potential of compound interest together.